All right, mate. MITH. I like MITH, but I bought a little bit of it too early the other day. It was only a small position, so I'm in a loss. It's only 1 point. I'm somewhere up here. I don't know where I'm just above here, above this candle somewhere. So I'm in a bit of a loss. But to me, this is a bullish setup. To me, this is bullish. But this bullish setup may go lower before it'll go higher again. If this goes lower down here, well, I will add to my or what is this? Oh, MITH. I will add to MITH down here. I think it's good for accumulation. If you buy a bit here, be prepared to buy a bit lower. But this pattern is a bullish base here that is breaking back up, that is barred back up, and there's a lot of liquidity still above price. And I think in the future we will come back up to take that up here. So if you have the patience and you're willing to accumulate it, well, you can eventually make money on it. It's my problem with this is when you get the big move up and go into this consolidation, this can sometimes take a little bit of period of time. Now, I don't know exactly how long that can take. Will it be 1 week? Will it be 2 weeks? I suppose it'll depend on the overall market. But if we have a hot season in altcoins, obviously, I think it'll take at least a week here, at least, and then we will see. But eventually, that's why if we do get any flushes down, then I want to be adding. Let's add alarms here. And any flushes down into that area, I think are buying opportunities. But I think it's okay to start buying it small now if you have patience to wait for the move up. Like this on the 3-day chart, I think, you know, this is a bad bearish drop, and maybe it'll want to do something like this for a period of time and then move back up.